I'm gonna do an Amazon haul. So previously also I've done many Amazon hauls on my channel, so I'm gonna link them above so you can definitely check them out. So whenever I do an Amazon haul, it's always miscellaneous, which means I have products from various categories. So that's the same thing with today, but the only special thing about today's vlog is that I have all the products from Indian brands, and particularly the brands which promote handmade items. I also have few of them. So let's just begin with today's video, and before I forget, links will be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. So starting off, the first product which I have is a pair of earrings from La Silla. So this is how it looks like. So you get it in this black box. So basically these are a pair of silver earrings, sterling silver earrings, and they are quite good quality. So I'm just gonna show you a close-up. So you get this card where it's written how many grams of silver does it have and all the details. So I'm gonna leave the link so you can check that in that link itself. So this is how the earrings look like. So you get one on each side. So just have a look at it. Talking about these earrings, these are very heavy. Like when you just touch it, you can just feel the silver, like very heavy in the sense, I mean of good quality, not by weight. So also it's really good quality, sturdy I would say, and looks really good on any ethnic wear. And Navratri is close. I know you won't be able to play this time, but still you can just go for these earrings. Even for Diwali and all such occasions, you can wear this. If you're someone who loves to wear light yet elegant earrings, this one is the best. So now that was all about the earrings. So now let's move on to the second product of this haul. Now this product is completely handmade. So I have this stationery office kit. So this kit contains 5 products. So let me just tell you what all the 5 products are. So first of all, you get this box. That's the first thing. Inside that, the smallest thing which I have is this holder. So basically it's a cardboard holder in which you can just put your stapler pins and other stationery pins inside this. So you can just store it in this. The next product which we have is this box. Like this has papers in it. So basically it's a paper holder. So this one again is handmade, so looks very very good on your office desk. The next thing which I have is this. Can you guess what this is? So this is actually a pen stand. So let me just show you how you can make it. So all you need to do is just open it and press it. So here's our pen stand ready. So it's foldable, so again you can just carry it anywhere you want. So yeah, the fourth product which we have is this diary. Things are just matching, so this set looks really beautiful. So this is how the diary is. Look at the pages, everything is just handmade, so you can just have a look at the quality. And the last thing which we have is this box with a plastic, so you can just see what's inside. And this is how the box is. It has this magnetic closure. So that's about the kit. So if you're someone who works at office, or if you're a student, then this is quite helpful to you. And also it looks really pretty. Also it's handmade, so 100% guaranteed for that. And now let's move on to the next product. Next product which I have is interesting. So I got it in this bag. Like, so the actual product is this one. So it's a leather laptop bag. So actually it's a pure leather bag. Like you can just feel it when you touch it. It's really heavy and sturdy. So I'm just gonna open and show it to you guys. So it's quite huge, as you can just see. So I'm just gonna show you the compartments and all. Also it's a bit pricey obviously because it's the leather one, but it's quite you know, worthy because it has really good quality. So this is the kind of thing that you get. Also you get straps in it, so you can just see. And it has like 2 compartments and 2 chains in it, like a single compartment but with double chain. That is what I mean. So I'll insert a picture right here because it's really difficult for me to carry. It's really huge, that's why. So I'll just insert a picture of this one. So if you're someone who goes to office, or you are in college and you carry your laptops every day, then this is a very good option. Also it looks really classy because it's leather, and I think this would last longer because the quality is really good. Like actually I'm not a fan of leather things, but since I got this one, so it's really good quality. So yeah, now let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing which I have got is really unusual. So I've got a sari. Like, yeah, obviously I don't wear sari, but if you're someone who wears sari or whose mom wears sari, then you can definitely have this one. So basically this is a cotton sari. So I've got this from this store which makes handmade cloth things. So I'll just link it below. Obviously all the links will be in the description box, so don't worry about that. So check this out. Material is very good, it's very lightweighted and it's really comfortable. So if you're someone who you know uses sari a lot, then you can definitely get something of this type. It's really good. And if you're someone like me who doesn't wear sari, then you can just gift it to your mom or you know your aunts or somebody who just wears sari, because this is very comfortable. Now the next product which I have is again a hair care product. So basically I have got this organic shikakai powder. So this is how it looks like. So basically a lot of you might be actually knowing about this. Shikakai powder is used to wash your hair. Like in ancient times when people didn't use shampoos, they used this one, and it's herbal and kind of you know organic thing to use. So it will just stop damaging your hair and all. So you can definitely try this once in a while. Like actually I am used to using shampoos, but I got this like once in a month or once in a while. You can try this out. So yeah, that's about it, and it's in the powder form. You also get this measurement cup, and here's the powder. So that's about it, and I think the rest of the things you might be knowing about it. It's like a basic product. So yeah. The last product which I have is this bio organic aloe vera gel from Indus Valley. Now I am a person who uses a lot of aloe vera gel, like in DIYs or just as a skincare. I use a lot of aloe vera gel, and so I got this backup because any amount of aloe vera gel I have, it just gets completed. So I bought this for backup, and I'm trying this for the first time. Like I've not yet opened it, so don't actually know that how it will be, but I think it will be good because it's written that it claims that it's 100% pure and all that. So yeah, I'll definitely update you in my upcoming videos about how it is. So that is it about today's video, and I hope you guys would have loved it.